Good afternoon, everybody. Finally got my HP Thin client set up with Windows 10 Pro on it to run the OpenBuilds control software. I had an extra HP Thin client and an old VGA monitor that works perfectly. And I also am using the IP address based remote on my iPhone. So go on here. Let me tell it to go to G28. I've got a 3/4 inch India with countersunk hardware. 2 pieces on here to make the 35 by 35, and an aluminum L that I machined on my other CNC. Got tools for the wrenches, this for the probe, and have a shelf here with braces underneath. And this frame is bolted to the small studs. This was actually the frame for my lowrider too. This PVC was where the wheels rolled. It was a 52 by 82 on an MPCNC lowrider. Pretty much took up the majority of the room, but this is a lot smaller. Got my vacuum, my dust topper, and the vacuum line running up and over. And used a swivel TV mount for the power cord for the router. I'm also going to 3D print relief to go out 90 degrees and set it out and bending the cord. This is the Millright's Mega V XL, which is 35 by 35. Typically, I've been cutting my projects at around 10,000 millimeters a minute. My lowrider 2, I could max it out at about 1,800, so I've got jobs finishing in 6-7 minutes. It would take 45-50 minutes with the old one. But if you have any questions, just post them below. Please like and subscribe. And once again, thank you for watching.